Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we'll talk about numbers and arithmetic operations in Python programming language. There are three numeric types in Python programming language. They are defined as int, float and complex numbers in Python programming language. Integers and floating points are separated by the presence or absence of a decimal point. For instance, 9 is an integer, whereas 9.0 is a floating point number or float. And complex numbers are written in the form x plus yj, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. The interpreter acts as a simple calculator. You can type an expression at it and it will write the value. Expression syntax is straightforward. The operators plus, minus, multiplication or asterisk, and slash for division work just like in most other programming languages. Let's take an example for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. Here we have 2 plus 2 and the result of this operation is 4. Then 50 minus 3 multiplied by 3, and you know the result for this operation is 41. After that, 50 minus 3 multiplied by 3 in between parentheses divided by 4, and the final result for this operation is float or floating point number 10.25. Let's talk about the order of operations. Operations mean things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, and more. If it is not a number, it is probably an operation. But when you see something like 50 minus 3 times 3 in between parentheses divided by 4, what part should you calculate first? In this case, start at the left and go to the right, or go from right to left. If you calculate them in the wrong order, you'll get a wrong answer for sure. The order of these operations is: first, parentheses. Calculate your parentheses first. Second, exponents if they exist. Third, multiplication and division from left to right. Fourth, addition and subtraction operations from left to right also. We first resolved these brackets or these parentheses, and also this according to the order of operations inside these parentheses, and then we divided this by 4.